Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Just trying to be quiet because the little one is having a nap. So yeah, I have been doing a lot of work on the next doll that is going up for grabs. So it is a giant anteater. I'll show you what it looks like at the end of this video. But yeah, it didn't take that long to make. It's on the smaller side as well, and I've done a lot of stuff out of polymer clay and an epoxy sculpt. So I used my 1/8 size armature for this one, so it is on the smaller one. This is the 1/8 size. I'll need to do a restock of armature stuff soon because I don't have many pieces left. So I've got some rolls left of the armature, but in terms of pliers, I don't have any left apart from the larger size. But yeah, I've got a couple of rolls left of the 1/8, the 1/4 and 3/4. I think the size is 3/4. I've also been doing a bit of work on a new doll for the Vancouver Aquarium. So they reached out to me last year sometime, just in regards to what dolls, but they just had to work out their budget and stuff. So I'm doing one doll for them. It is a Jamaican fruit bat. So I'm just going to do a couple of different things for the parts on these ones, just so they're a bit more durable. I'm going to use some cos clay and well, like a combination, but everything else I'm going to do the same anyway. But again, I'll show you what I did at the end of the video. So yeah, got a couple of things going at the moment, and yeah, stay tuned for, I guess I'll show you everything at the end. welcome back to the end of the vlog. So yeah, hopefully you got a little snippet of what I've been working on. I'll show you the giant anteater. So this is the giant anteater that I finished up. So it's got the polymer clay head, epoxy sculpt feet, and glass eyes. So this one is available in my shop, creaturesandthat.com. Faux fur, 1/4 size ball and socket armature as well. So it is fully posable. So yeah, it's a smaller doll. It's long, but it's small. And I also did some of this colouring with some fabric paints. I think it turned out really well. I was going to do it in like its own separate faux fur, but I think the fabric paint, I wanted it to show through a little bit. So I think that worked out well. So payment plans are welcome if you're interested in this little one. Just shoot me a message and I can tell you how they work. I'm super flexible. But yes, that is a little look at the giant anteater. There you go. And the next one that I sort of finished up is the Jamaican fruit bat that I did for the Vancouver Aquarium. So they're going to use it in their educational program, and as far as I'm aware. And yeah, so if you're in Vancouver, head there and just have a look at what they're doing with it. And if you see this art doll, then just know that I made it. So we've got a Jamaican fruit bat. So the front of it is cast clay. This is super sculpey, eyes are glass, faux fur body, cast clay feet. The wings are a fabric with a wire armature inside, ball and socket armature inside here. So the wings are fully posable like all my other bats. And then you can pose the head. So I tried to get it sort of life-sized. But that's basically a little look at the fruit bat. It's a little bit different from the flying foxes that I made, because these little bits don't attach on the flying foxes and they do here. So just a little bit different for this bat. But yeah, this little look. That's pretty much all I've been working on this. I don't even know how long it's been a while since my last vlog, but yeah, that's basically all I've been working on, was these two pieces. But I have started another piece of a African hunting dog, so I'll talk about that in my next vlog. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'll have a new piece going up soon. Weird noises. Anyway, I'll leave it there and I will catch up with you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff. It helps my channel grow, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.